Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here MJ Perez, Coach Shaq de los Santos, and Jeff Carino of the Signal HC Tigers who won in 5 sets against the Galleries Tower High Risers. Coach, congratulations on this victory. 5 sets siya, pero nakuha niyo pa rin yung win. Anong masasabi mo sa game ng team?
Siyempre, una, very thankful and blessed dahil sa panalo and sa buong game, no injuries, and then good thing is yun nga, nakuha namin yung game na to kahit na alam namin sa sarili namin na talagang hindi talaga yun yung pwede pa namin igalaw. What I mean is yung kaya pa namin gumalaw na mas maganda. But sobrang thankful kami.
Thank you, Coach. And our best player of the game, Jel, with 31 excellent sets. Ano lang masasabi mo sa naging performance mo ng team na nakuha nitong win against Galleries?
Masaya po, pero sobrang challenging talaga yung game namin kanina. Talagang tinest yung pasensya namin kung gano'ng kahaba kasi alam naman natin na Galleries talagang matibay atake, defense. So, yun yung naging challenge namin na talagang kinapitan namin kung paano namin sila matapatan at may panalo yung game.
Thank you, Jel. And for MJ, it took 5 sets for you guys to take this win, but you ended up with a win after. What can you say about how the team performed tonight?
I think we did a really good job today because this is part of the league, right? Sometimes we can win like easy, but sometimes we have to be challenging, and this is good for what we want in the future. It's good how we react in these situations, and the good thing is that we got them in.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Jel, yun nga nung na-down yung team kanina. Kumbaga, paano mo lang kinalma yung sarili mo and yung teammates mo bilang center na?
Talagang kinumpos yung sarili. Medyo may frustration talaga, pero yun nga, inisip ko na gusto ko talagang manalo. So, kinumpos ko ulit yung sarili ko para mas makabawi pa at mas makatulong pa sa team. So, yun nga, inisip ko lang din talaga yung mga kasama ko.
To Jel, medyo binulat pa kayo ng gallery sa parang ng paglalaro nila. At saka, ano yung instructions ni Coach Shaq sa'yo para tulungan yung team?
Actually, hindi naman nagulat kasi inaral din naman namin sila, and ayun nga, alam naman namin na mabibili sila. Pero kanina talagang na-test kami yung bilis nila kung paano namin a-adjustan yung galaw nila. And yan, si Coach good din kasi mahaba yung pasensya namin kanina. Talagang composed din siya na magbigay ng instruction sa amin. And thankful kasi panalo.
To MJ, can you take us through the game? How hard was it really to beat this team, considering they're still winless?
We cannot underestimate any team. They could be the last one, but they're good. They're smart. They play very smart, and we knew that. We knew it's not going to be an easy game. And for us, we don't take any team like any team like it's an easy team. We take very serious our games, and this is the proof of that. That we relax, they can win us.
Coach, siguro nasabi na rin sa inyo kasi for the whole conference, until dun sa next na conference, yung mga players nyo na nasa alas, hindi na sila allowed lumaro. So, ano yung magiging adjustment nyo? Inasahan nyo ba to? Kasi parang biglaan no?
Well, meron na kami mga initial na idea or parang update regarding doon. Ang good thing kasi, naka-mindset din yung mga players namin, even kaming coaches and the management na possible talaga siya mangyari. So, ganun namin siya din-design din sa training, sa mga ano namin, sa mga game plan. And I think yung good thing ngayon is, nandito na sila, pwede namin silang makasama sa training. So, like sa scrimmage, so sharing ng experience nila. So, yun yung magiging role naman nila, malaking part para sa amin na makatulong sila dun sa side na yun. But yun nga, kung hindi makalaro or hindi pa laruin, we need to accept. Kasi yun talaga yung rule. So, respect namin yun. So, yun.
Coach, at 6'1", tapos papasok na sa crucial part ng tournament, yung knockout quarterfinals niya. Ano lang ang parang atmosphere ng team, tsaka parang paano tuloy na nagtatry mag-improve yung lahat ng players?
Well, sa ngayon, yung atmosphere naman doon sa training namin, sobrang okay naman. Siyempre, minsan, nagkakaroon ng mga discussion, ano yung mga game plan, minsan yung mga patience namin, talaga yung ano namin, natatest, kung gaano kahaba. And then, alam din namin talaga na pwedeng mangyari itong game na to. Ito ay expect namin. And siguro sa part namin, medyo slow start kami. And sa training, sobrang okay. Grabing aggressive yung mga players. Sobrang ready sila lagi kung ano yung mga game plan. Like na yun, 31 excellent sets si Angel. Actually, mas medyo dinamihan namin yung focus namin sa attacks din. So kaya nag-result ng maganda. But ang good thing din, again, marami ulit kaming natutunan. Marami ulit kaming pwedeng i-adjust sa training namin. So kailangan mas mag-ready pa kami sa mga susunod naming game. So tuloy lang namin yung pagiging consistent dun sa lahat ng gusto namin gawin and improve namin kung ano yung mga medyo mababa yung percentage. Sorry.
Virgil, bago pa lang actually itong conference, si MJ, parang talaga ikaw yung parang pinpoint out niya na parang na-impress siya sa training pa lang gano'n. Siguro ngayon na 31 excellences, parang kamusta lang ba yung parang connection niyo kumbaga ni MJ na talagang 31 excellences ka siya 34 points, parang yung connection niyo?
Ayun po, patagal talagang nakukuha na namin yung gusto niyang set. And yun nga, talagang lagi namin inaaral yung mga combination plays. Ayun, talagang inaaral namin yung mga combination plays kasi hindi naman pwedeng yun nga, puro basic lang. So, ayun, so far okay naman and looking forward pa ako sa mga matututunan ko and mga advice ni Amiga. Ayun.
Battery at 80%.
MJ, before the start of the conference, I got to ask you about who in the Sigma team were you most impressed with. You mentioned Jel. I guess how has the connection been for your end with Jel?
It's getting better every time. We have a lot of communication during the practice and especially during the game. And that's, I think, our key. Okay, sometimes if the ball is not perfect, I try to adjust. And the same for she's trying her best also to give me the best ball. So we are working together and a lot of communication.
Coach, at this point ba, kasi nakikita mo, nasa ibabaw na kayo eh. At this point ba nakikita mo na kung yung placing nyo or hindi mo pa masyado iniisip yun?
Sa ngayon wala pa kasi nakadepende pa rin kami dun sa mga games nung sa kabilang bracket. But, syempre, tinitingnan namin, na-analyze namin. Pero, like yung nasabi natin before, hindi mo talaga masasabi kung sino pwedeng manalo, sino pwedeng matalo. So talagang ang main focus namin ngayon is paano namin kontrolin yung sarili namin or yung team namin, paano kami gagalaw ng mas maganda going to quarterfinals. And syempre, focus namin sa last game namin next week. So siguro yun pa lang ngayon, pero yung mga idea na like target namin, like idea kung sino yung pwedeng makalaban, siguro sa ngayon wala pa talaga. Wala pa.
For MJ, going against Gatherings, and the team is known for their fair defense, which is evident that they've learned how you slam the ball. And despite slamming the ball hard, they can still dig it and receive it. What were your adjustments and of course the things that you have to carry on the deciding set?
We, as just say, we try to go with many combinations, so they cannot. The attack is not so predictable, right? So we try to make this, and of course it's frustrating when they are defending all the time. But we make the adjustment to score as much point as we can, of course.
For Coach, your last game sa preliminaries to be against Excellent. Ano lang siguro yung maging adjustments, preparations for that game?
Hopefully, mag-balance namin yung block and defense namin, may balik namin. Like yung nagawa namin nung first round. Ang ganda na naging performance namin sa block and defense. So, and then yung siguro yung mga nag-check ball na kailangan makuha pa rin namin. So, mas tumibay pa. And then, consistency sa serve and receive. And, puro yung kagustuhan din namin na gumalaw ng tama, ng maayos, and ma-all out lagi yung yung best namin every game. So, I think kailangan magsimula siya sa training. And sa ngayon, mas kailangan mag-recover, magpahinga, and syempre, mag-ingat din lahat kasi syempre, bawal magkasakit talaga. So, yun, magpapahinga lang at mag-recover. Yun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yay! Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Water po.